Okay, I now have a yellow 120 grit. Let's sand these up a little bit more, make them look a little nicer. They don't need to look super good. Those few scratches in there don't matter. I really just need to see this area when I go to clamp it and drill the holes. Okay, now we have things a little bit polished so I can see this better. So this is not a necessity, but it, again, in my experience doing this all this time, it really helps you see the line. So now also you can see this scale is now a 1/2 inch thick because they have 3/8 material and a 1/8 inch liner. So I'm going to sand these down on the face with the 36 grit and bring them back down to 3/8 because you can't have this humongous handle. It'll never fit in sheath, of course, but I could do that now. I could do that after I drill the holes. Doesn't matter, but at some point I'll get them sanded down. But these are ready to tape up and stick in the box, go with the rest of the custom scales. These ones too. See ya.